How to fix Instagram Reels not working. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if your Instagram Reels is not showing up or not working. Now if you open up the app and you're logged into your ID, if you tap on the Reels icon that you can find just beside your profile icon, you'll be able to watch all the Reels here. Now if it's not working, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon, and once on profile icon, tap on the three line icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen. Now once here, tap on settings, and if you scroll all the way down below, you'll be able to log out of all accounts or log out of this account. So if it is not working, what you want to do is try logging out and logging in again. But before that, what you want to make sure is that your app is updated to the latest version of the app. What you want to do is scroll down back, head over to your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram and make sure your app is updated. Now if your app isn't updated, you'll get the update option instead of open option that you can see on the screen right now. So make sure it's updated. Normally glitches and issues occurs when your app isn't updated or isn't up to date. Now if your app is up to date and it's still not working, what you want to do is go ahead and clear your app data. Now to do so, head over your notification bar, tap on settings icon on the top right corner of your screen and scroll down and look into apps. Once on apps, search for Instagram. Now you can search it simply from here and go to Instagram and head into stories, and on stories you want to clear your data. Now once you clear your data, get back to your app and log into your ID and you should be able to find Reels again and watch them. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.